Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkwo, your accounting software consultant. So today I'm going to show you how to set up a new vendor using QuickBooks Online. So setting up vendors in QuickBooks is very easy, just like the way you set up vendor when you were using QuickBooks Desktop. So there are two ways of doing that. You click on this plus, you see add supplier, or you click on expenses, you see suppliers, you click on suppliers, then you click on new supplier. So we are going to set up our supplier based on what we have in our case study. So let's check the case study. So in our case study, we have Alibaba, we have Mandela Laptop, we have GKK, we have Power, PHCN. So let's set up these vendors. So the first one is Alibaba. Just like the way we set up our customers, we do the same thing here. You can type the phone number. Remember, I told you all these are optional. If you have the address of this vendor, you do the same thing. You type. So I can expand this, Lagos, then I click save, then I do the same thing. New suppliers, Mandela Laptop, paste it, type the phone number of this supplier if you have that information, then you select the address. If you have the address of this supplier, you do the same thing. So in this case, I'm going to use any address for the purpose of this training. You click save, then I'll do the same thing. JKK Limited, this is also a supplier. New supplier, type in the address of this supplier, then the address, I'm going to use another address as well. Then I'm going to set up the next supplier, which is the last one, PHCN. Click on new, paste, type in phone number, then address. I'm going to use address. So this is how you set up a supplier using QuickBooks.